The last video was about hard work. This one is its day off. Please keep your voice down. Somebody is resting. Here are 8 idioms about laziness. Number 1. Lazy as a hound dog in July. A hound in July has one job: the porch. Shade management, professional lying down. It means completely, contentedly unmotivated. Number 2. Born tired. Some people wake up exhausted from the effort of sleeping. Born tired means naturally allergic to work. A lifelong condition, no known cure. Number 3. Wouldn't say boo to a goose. The goose is right there. Saying boo costs nothing, still too much effort. It means too timid or too listless to react to anything at all. Number 4. Riding the clock. Physically present, spiritually at lunch. Riding the clock means putting in the hours without putting in the work, while the minute hand does the heavy lifting. Number 5. Goofing off. Report is due. The desk is clean. Suddenly, juggling practice feels urgent. Goofing off means avoiding work with elaborate, unnecessary activity. Number 6. Gold bricking. A brick painted gold looks valuable and does nothing. Gold bricking means faking the appearance of work. Busy face, empty hands. 7. Twiddling your thumb. The thumbs rotate, slowly, in circles. It is technically motion. Twiddling your thumbs means sitting idle with absolutely nothing to do. Number 8. Let George do it. Who is George? Whoever is not you. Let George do it means leaving the chore for someone else. George, historically, is also waiting for George. And that is 8 idioms about laziness. We would do a big finish, but honestly, let George do it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.